to explore, but still they are there monitoring you. It's the essence of that arrangement. To our graduates, I offer these final words of encouragement. May your experience here equip you with knowledge, skills, character to make a positive impact in the world. That when people have acknowledged that this is, shall I say, Picanians. Tama ba? Tawag natin sa kanila? Picanians. Ayan. Na ako ay Picanian. Na hindi lang makikilala sa husay sa pang-akademikong larangan. But, pag sinabi nating Picanian, ay peacemaker. Ayan. They are peacemaker. May you be agents of peace, unity, and love. May you embrace diversity, challenge, and uplift those around you. Since this is this ceremony is composed of three groups: the grade 6 graduates, grade 10 completers, and grade 12 graduates. Now, I'd like to address each group. To the grade 6 graduates, your journey in elementary school has prepared you for the exciting challenges of high school. So expect that the challenges or the experiences, the hurdles that you experienced during elementary days will be far different from what challenges await you along the way in your high school level. So, mahihirap na. No? You have to prepare yourself. And then to the grade 10 graduates, your accomplishments have laid a strong foundation for your future academic pursuits. And to the grade 12 graduates, your dedication and perseverance have earned you this remarkable achievement. And I would also like to give appreciation to our parents. Hindi kayo makakarating sa kung saan man kayo ngayon kung wala ang suporta, pagmamahal, at pangunawa ng ating mga magulang. To the parents, on behalf of this institution, we express our deepest gratitude for your unwavering support and guidance. Your involvement has been instrumental in